name's Ben Harding. I work at Aylesbury Vale Golf Club and I'm doing a WBD Level 2 in Sports Turf. I chose doing an apprenticeship rather than doing college because I thought it was more a practical way of learning, more hands-on approach. Yeah, I enjoy being an apprentice. I find the way of learning more hands-on, and that suits me better as a person. And I think if you do enjoy learning hands-on, is a better way of going through. It suits me a lot better than sitting in a classroom. I found out about the apprenticeship on the Direct Gov site and I applied for it. I was interviewed by Chris and then by Oaklands College, and then when they were both happy, it went forwards. I entered the apprenticeship with 2 GCSEs. I've done everything since I started. Within my first week I was cutting and they throw you right into the deep end, and I think that helps you learn a lot quicker. Oaklands College come to me once a month and then I have to go out to college every now and then to do like first aid tests or spraying tests and all the tests, but apart from that he comes here and then all the other work's done by me at home. He marks all the work I've done from the previous month and sets me new targets to do for the following month. Yeah, I think the biggest achievement for me would be getting a lot of the responsibility, knowing how to do the job and being trusted in doing it and not having someone following you around. I start at the moment at 6:30 and finish at 3 o'clock, but in the winter we do from 7 till 2:30. Just the hands-on approach, the practical side, working outside, working with a team, enjoy all of that. Hopefully move on to the level 3 and get that done, and then hopefully I'll be a head greenkeeper within 10 years. Yeah, I'd quite like to go out. You can go out with a scheme for America as well, and they accommodate you for 6 months and train you in like their way of greenkeeping, and they feed you and everything, and you go live out there, which is quite good.